Alright, to find this geocache, I'm gonna have to use the reality stone and alter what's going on around you, or around me actually, because it deals with me and where I am at. We have a big storm brewing. Thanos, he's about 150 miles away from here. I heard from my intel, and so I've got to hurry up and see if I can track down and keep moving and see if I can find these more of these geocaches. So, reality, alter it, and I couldn't find myself a geocache. There it is. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. See ya.